What up? Winbush here, and I have to say, this is probably my favorite monitor. Now, this monitor is the HP Z32k G3 4K USB-C. I know it's an extremely long name, but bear with me because this thing is crazy. So for anybody that's been following me on my channel, you know I'd like HP products. I've used the HP ZBook during some of my tutorials here on my channel, and recently I used it during my Unreal Fest presentation there. And then on top of that, when I do VR, I have my HP mixed reality headset as well. So whenever HP reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to check out this new monitor, I said absolutely. Now, one of the biggest things for me was when I first opened this up and I was looking at all the ports there on the side. You know, you have your typical ports, your HD, your display ports, and then it also has a Thunderbolt 4 port, which I was able to immediately just take my Thunderbolt cord, hook it up to my laptop. My laptop instantly recognized it. I was able to get everything set up, and first thing I did was I played some Fall Guys on there. Now, the reason I played Fall Guys, it's a very bright and vivid video game, so I figured if anything was going to put this monitor to the test, it would be that game, and instantly the colors just popped off the screens. And with the contrast on this monitor being 2000 to 1, everything just popped, and even with the blacks, everything looked extremely clean. Now, the size of this monitor is 31.5 inches if we go diagonal, which is a perfect size for what I need it for. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's about the right size. Like whenever I hooked up Unreal Engine to it, I was easily able to navigate throughout the UI there. I had the content browser open. I was able to see everything inside of my viewport, the outliner there on the side, and was easily able to navigate and not feel suffocated when I'm working inside the program. And another feature I liked with this particular stand, I was easily able to take it from horizontal to vertical. You know, a lot of us right now, we're doing YouTube shorts. Some people are doing TikToks. And so instead of working by 16 by 9, we're now forced to work from 9 to 16. And it's easier to lay everything out whenever we're working on tutorials for that vertical form. So we can easily lay out our programs in 9 by 16 and crank out those YouTube shorts for you guys. And on top of making it vertical, just even having it on a stand, that's extremely versatile. I'm able to swivel it left and right, up and down. Basically, I can move this monitor anywhere I want and get a perfect angle for my eyesight. Now, for all you spec kids, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so you can go check out the specs for yourself and see if this lives up to something that you might be looking for. So big shout out to HP, loving the monitor, and make sure that you guys click on one of these boxes that are all around me. I currently have my Learn Unreal Engine 5 in 5 days course going on right now, so you don't want to miss it. We have a couple of chapters that are already out there. Make sure you click on one of them or click on a playlist or something up there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.